In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to auto-delete timeline on Google Map. The first thing is open up your Google Map and then tap on the profile icon on the top right corner, tap on settings, and then you scroll down to personal content, tap on it, and then you scroll all the way down to auto-delete timeline, tap on it, and here you give a few seconds to load so we can set. Now we have to choose an auto-delete option for our timeline. Now we tap on this, we have 3 months, 18 months, and 36 months. These are the only options we have. So you can choose that every 3 months you auto-delete your timeline, or every year and a half you should auto-delete your timeline, or every 3 years you should auto-delete your timeline. It depends on you. These are the options we have. We have 3 months, we have a year and a half, we have 3 years. So choose the one you prefer, the one that works for you. And once you've done that, tap on next. Then you have to confirm your preference to auto-delete activity, which means any activity or timeline other than 36 months to be deleted automatically. Google may delete some types of activities sooner, so you need to choose tap on confirm at the bottom here, and that's it. Preference has been saved.